Hi everyone, welcome to C2C Mentors. My name is Pooja and I'm from Code, batch of 2022. I'm currently pursuing my MBA last semester, basically last trimester I should call, last 3 months to go. And in this video, we will be talking about IBSAT, which is an entrance exam conducted for ICFAI Business School. Now, this is an institute which has around 9 campuses like Hyderabad, Bangalore, and so on and so forth. And let's see how the application for IBSAT is. What are the modules that will be tested under it, what is the admission procedure, if you are eligible or not eligible, timeline kya hai aapke admissions ka, and then we will move on to the placement scenario and the fee structure so that we can have a little bit comparison about how good it's a business school or who should join it and who should not. Okay, so stay tuned till the end of the video to know all the details and get your doubts clarified. Now let's start with the admission process. Before moving to the admission process, I would like to keep a quick glance at the eligibility criteria. So जो आपका IBSAT 2021 का exam है, it takes candidates for two courses basically. One is the MBA program, which is a 2-year course, और दूसरा है आपका PhD program, which is a 4-year course, right? So based on that, अगर आप 2-year management program के लिए apply करते हो, तो आपका graduation होना चाहिए any discipline with minimum 50% in your undergrad, in your as per your university standards, right? और medium of instruction आपका English होना चाहिए. So this way you will be completing like 15 years of your education. Be it is calculated like 10 plus 2 plus 3 अगर आपका 3 साल का अंडर ग्रेजुएशन है, या फिर 10 plus 2 plus 4 basis अगर आपका 4 साल का अंडर ग्रेजुएशन है. So all those who are eligible, I hope you guys have applied for IBSAT, because जो application है IBSAT 2021 के, they were opened on July 1st 2021 and they were open till December 16 2021. So ये जो आपका time frame था, window था, I hope everybody has applied to it. और आपकी जो test की date है, when your test will be conducted, it will be conducted on December 25th to December 26th. जैसे यहाँ पे they have mentioned it on their official website around Christmas time, right? So result आएगा January में. Then you will be having your selections, your rounds of interview, whatever process they have, which will be an online process obviously, and it will be around the month of February 2022. But before moving into selection, let's see what the exam will be about and कैसा होगा उसका selection procedure. Okay, so यहाँ पे उन्होंने clearly mention किया है कि उनका पूरा online एक MCQ exam होगा, which will be the same for both the courses, 2-year का MBA also and 4-year का PhD also, which will be full time or part time. Okay, it will be a computer based exam which will have 2 hours का duration. 2 घंटे की exam है, छोटी सी exam है, and the candidate will be tested on quantitative techniques. यहाँ पे उन्होंने mention कर रखा है data interpretation, data adequacy, vocabulary, analytical reasoning and reading comprehension. So अगर आप इसके topics देखो, they are not very different than आपके दूसरे entrance exams like CAT, NMAT, SNAP and so on and so forth. तो अगर आपने इनके लिए preparation करी है पहले से, तो it becomes very easy for you to appear for IBSAT as well. Okay. Now, again, moving forward, let's see the selection procedure. So candidates who have qualified for IBSAT 2021, then they are called for the selection process online during the month of February 22, and the selection process hoga aapka group discussion and personal interview. So both the things will be happening online if you clear the cutoff score. Okay, moving ahead to the fee structure quickly. So जो आपका fee structure यहाँ पे उन्होंने mention किया है, 2 years MBA program at IBS Hyderabad campus, which is their good campus, one of the best campuses of IBS. It is around 16.02 lakhs. They've mentioned, this is the latest information that we have. अगर आप Bangalore campus में जाओगे, तो it is थोड़ा सा less, 12.06 lakhs. And अगर देहरादून और जयपुर campus आपको consider करना है, तो 6.03 lakhs है. But how to compare this fees? Let's understand the fee placement scenario also. So if you look at the placement scenario, अगर हम यहाँ पे देखते हैं थोड़ा, तो we have good brands here, like we have Google here, we have Zomato, we have Aditya Birla Group here. We also have some banks, like I can see ICICI here. EY is present. We have ICICI, we have HSBC, and we have Kotak, IndusInd. We have e-commerce giants like Amazon and Flipkart. ITC, a major giant. Nestle, again a big brand, beautiful brand. Vodafone is there. Federal Bank is there. Magic Bricks is there. A lot of big brands that come to the campus. and give you placements, offer you placements. अगर हम class of 2021 के बारे में देखें, the sector wise placements इन्होंने बहुत beautifully इधर breakdown करके दिया है. So you can see this 18% of the chunk has got into banking, I think. So this is the banking sector that they have. A lot of beautiful brands coming into the campus. 14% है इनका financial services का है, I think. And 15% here they've also got into e-commerce. So it is a good mix of whatever role you want to get into. यहाँ पे इन्होंने mention भी किया है कि they have been giving placements to students in banking and financial services, consulting हो गया, technology हो गया, media research, even media research is present here, and e-commerce platforms. So you're getting a really good brand. भले ही you would need some time, honestly speaking, you would need some time to grow up as far as your profile or your role is considered into your career path, but you will get branded by a good brand. Okay. Coming to a little bit numbers when it comes to placement. So here you have IBS Hyderabad ka placement numbers. So they've mentioned for 2 years, 2020 or 2021 के बारे में बोला है उन्होंने. In 2021, they placed 93% of the batch, which is a good number. Average salary इन्होंने बोला है 7.97 का. But the thing here to be noted is, if you go down the table, थोड़ा सा नीचे हम देखें, average salary of top 10%. So top 10% का average salary इन्होंने बोला है 15.35, which has become greater, which has increased than the previous year, which was 12.61. Okay, and average salary of the top 25% has become to 11.52. So this is a really good number if you stand out in the top 25 percentile. अगर आपका उसमें आ जाता है top 25% में, if you work hard, if you go to the campus, if you work hard, so this gives you a really good number, right? A really good package. These are good numbers. Again, as we saw, this is the placement breakup, right? Sector wise breakup. So if you were to select, or if you were to give it a thought about IBS as a B school, this is a good backup option for all of those who want to go for an MBA this year by any chance. Okay, इसमें आपकी preparation भी ज़्यादा नहीं लगेगी if you have been preparing for other management entrance exams. अगर वो आपकी इतनी अच्छी नहीं गई है, then you still have an option of IBS Hyderabad. Get into IBS Hyderabad, clear the GD, clear the PI rounds, hustle in the B school, get into a good rank in the B school, get into the top 25% and grab a good package. You will be branded by a good brand. We saw a lot of brands coming to the campus. So this is a great option for all of those who want to go for an MBA this year only. Okay, so this was all about IBS Hyderabad, IBS as an exam, IBSAT 2021. Hope it helps you to make a wise decision about your MBA journey. And this is all for this video. Take care, guys. Thank you. Bye.